Well, hello! I'm back at my trailer again. I have a couple people who want to see the trailer, so these are the only days I have to show the trailer. So I just did a big clean, so at least it looks a little bit less old and nasty. The carpet's like what's really gross. I tried to clean it. I had a carpet cleaner that I tried to clean it with last time, but didn't do much. But just gonna be showing it like this. I think so it looks way more clean. This was dirty before I cleaned it. The bathroom sink and bathtub I cleaned, and I vacuumed a little bit. Bada bing, bada boom. So, and I gotta put these back on. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So I'm just waiting for someone to come today. And then I'm hoping to make it to the lake to watch the sunset. So, woohoo! Stay tuned for what I'm doing here in Grimsby. I might be here for like weeks on end. I have no idea. So, as long as I go to like amazing conservation areas and forest areas, that's like all I care about, because it raises my vibration and it's really magical to me. So yeah, join me. And maybe I'll film, maybe one of these weeks I'll film what I filmed like the first week. The first time I ever did van life was here in Grimsby where my trailer is, so maybe I'll refilm like places I went, some of the cool places I went here, and then you can see that again, because probably most people who are watching my videos right now haven't seen those. And I see two flies humping each other right now. Do you see that? Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Guys, these kinds of things, like selling my trailer and having to meet strangers, triggers my social anxiety. But here's to exposure therapy. It's not the worst anxiety on a scale of 1 to 10, but it's pretty anxiety provoking for me.
1 hour later.
Guess who sold their trailer? Do the happy dance, do the happy dance, do the happy dance. Hey, hey, hey. I can't believe I sold it that fast. And I sold it for a lot more than what I paid for it, because it was in really good condition. And the person I got it from, they didn't know what kind of condition it was, because they were selling it for their parents. Anyway, yeah, I can't believe I sold it that fast, and I'm free now. And I did see a lot of ladybugs in my trailer when I opened it up today, so that was a sign that I was gonna have a horseshoe up my ass today and be able to sell it. Alright, it's time for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I didn't eat yet all day. So I have here a salad with some cucumber and tomatoes. And I found this dressing recipe on YouTube. And the lady said it tastes like a French dressing, but it definitely tastes like barbecue sauce. So that's what I put in my salad, and it tastes pretty good. I don't love barbecue sauce, but sometimes I like it. Like if I eat ribs, I like barbecue sauce on the ribs. And I got this pineapple here cut up. And when I was in Thailand, I went to this mall and they had these bags of pineapple in it, and then they had a little packet of spice. And that's my first time dipping pineapple with some spice, and it tasted freaking amazing. So I googled to see if I could find the recipe, and I found a couple, but then I found someone who said that this tagine is really good with pineapple, and they were definitely not wrong. It tastes freaking bomb. So that's what I'm eating, some rice, salad, and some pineapple with tagine. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving it. Alright, breakfast is oranges, kiwi, mango, and a mix of nuts.
No matter which way you go, no matter which way you stay, you're out of my mind, out of my mind, out of my mind, out of my mind.
Good morning. So today I'm going to show you guys some of the things I saw on my very first van life trip here in Grimsby. So right now I'm going to show you the Painted Ladies of Grimsby. Watch and see this magical place.
Some enchanted evening, you may see a stranger. You may see a stranger across a crowded room, and somehow you know even then, that somewhere you'll see him again and again. Some enchanted evening, someone may be laughing. You may hear him laughing across a crowded room, and night after night, as strange as it seems, the sound of his laughter will sing in your dreams.
They changed one of the houses a little bit since I've been here last. There was a Bugs Bunny on the house and now there's a Goofy. I love it. These houses are so cool and unique. It just reminds me of this TV show I watched when I was a kid, Big Comfy Couch. I think it's a Canadian TV show. And the neighbor's house was all colorful and cool like that, so it's really magical. And what are you doing, you little rascal? He's like caught red-handed. There's Toronto all the way there. You can see the CN Tower. Alright, off to conservation. I hope I pick a magical one. Sometimes Sometimes some are more magical than others, so I hope I pick. It's a really beautiful day today, so I hope I pick a really magical place.
I'm remembering, I promise to forget you now, but it's raining and I'm calling drunk, and my medicine is drowning your perspective out, so I ain't taking any fault. Am I honest still? Am I half the man I used to be? I doubt it, forget about it, whatever. It's all the same anyways. I ain't proud of all the punches that I've thrown in the name of someone I no longer know, for the shame of being young, drunk and alone. Traffic lights and the transmitter radio. I don't like it when they threw me in the car. I gave your name as my emergency phone call. Honey, it rang and rang, even the cops thought you were wrong.
Oh yeah, it sounds like it. I hear the kids coming. Got my period today, so I gotta take it easy. guys, that was so magical and beautiful, wasn't it? It was amazing. This is Casablanca Beach. I have a few videos of going to this beach here. It's a nice tiny little beach. I just got my trailer sold right now, so that's all done and dandy. So I'm just here enjoying the lake now. Alright guys, this is my dinner. Apparently it's the famous green goddess dressing from TikTok. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. It's really healthy. It's like all cabbage pretty much. And some cucumber and some chives I put in it, which this recipe calls for. Then some lentils, some avocados there. And yeah, that's gonna be my dinner. This is what I have for dessert. Alright, I'm ending my video here. I hope you enjoyed my vlog.